always have a hard time with this part.
Well, it is the best prize.
What is it?
It's the Govee AI Gaming Sync Box Kit, the world's first AI lighting for gamers.
What's that mean, like robots?
It uses an AI chip and specialized algorithms to recognize your in-game actions and trigger real-time lighting effects.
It knows what we're doing.
Yeah. It even has custom light effects for special kills, counterattacks, or death.
We should get it.
We can't. We're NPCs. We stand here and move like this.
Oh, look, you made it.
Good for you!
You gotta leave now.
Yeah, you need to come towards us.
No, towards us!
They always have a hard time with this part.
Well, it is the best prize.
Govee, making life smarter.